Hello everyone. In this lesson, you are going to talk about multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. First, let's start by multiplication. Here, let's start by positive times positive. As you see in the multiplication rule, positive times positive equals positive. By the number, you can say positive 2 times positive 1 equals what? First, you are going to multiply the signs like that. Positive times positive equals positive. 2 times 1 equals 2. And the second one, positive times negative equals negative. By the number, positive 3 times negative 1 equals what? Positive times negative equals negative. 3 times 1 equals 3. The result is negative 3. The third one, negative times positive equals negative. Negative 2 times positive 4 equals negative times positive equals negative 2 times 4 equals 8. The result is negative 8. The last one, negative times negative equals positive. As you see on the picture, negative 3 times negative 3 equals what? Negative times negative, for the signs equals positive. 3 times 3 equals 9. The result is positive 9. As you see, guys, in the picture, the same sign equals positive, the different sign equals negative. Let's move to the division. Let me clean the screen first. Yeah. Number 2, picture 2, positive divided by positive. As you see, guys, on the picture 1, the rules of the multiplication, it's same with the rules of the division. They are the same. The same sign equals positive, as you see here. The different sign equals negative. And by the numbers also again, negative 2 divided by positive 2 divided by positive 2 also equals what? 2 positive divided by positive, as you see in the picture, equals positive. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. The result is positive 1. The second one, positive divided by negative. Positive 2 divided by negative 2 equals positive divided by negative equals negative. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. The result is negative 1. Third one, sorry, negative divided by positive. Negative 3 divided by positive 1 equals negative divided by positive negative. 3 divided by 1, 3. The result is negative 1. The last one, negative divided by negative. Negative 4 divided by negative 2. Negative divided by negative equals positive. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. The result is positive 2. And the same, guys, with the, it's true for the division. The same sign equals positive. Different sign equals negative. And let's move to the third one, addition. Let me clean the screen first. As you see, positive plus positive equals positive. In some case, with addition and subtraction, it depends on the numbers. Let me start by the numbers. For example, positive 2 plus positive 1 equals what? Equals 3. How? Let me explain it. If you see two signs next to each other like that, positive times, you have to multiply the signs together. Positive times positive equals positive. And you're going to write down positive 2 plus 1 equals 3. And that's all for the first one. The second one, negative plus negative equals positive. Let me explain it how negative plus negative equals negative. Negative 2 plus negative 3. Also, if you have the same sign with the addition and subtraction, you are going to add the numbers and keep the sign. Add the number, keep the sign. 2 plus 3 equals 5. And keep the sign. Negative 2 plus negative 3 equals negative 5. For this one, as you see, the plus circle is greater than the negative circle. The positive circle is greater than the negative circle. What does it mean? Let me explain it. Positive, the circle is greater. It means, for example, positive 3. And the second one will be the smaller than the first one, plus negative 2, for example, like that. As we said before, if you see two signs next to each other, you have to multiply them together. Positive times negative equals negative, and positive 3 negative 2 equals what? You're gonna, so guys, if you have the different sign, we are gonna subtract the numbers and keep the greatest number sign. 3 minus 2 equals 1, and of course 3 greater than 2. That's why you have to keep the, you have to write the number 3's sign. And the last one, positive plus negative. The negative circle is greater than the positive circle. Let me explain it why and how. For example, 2 plus negative 3. So for this one, positive times negative, negative 2 minus 3 equals what? As you said, if you have the difference sign, you are going to subtract the numbers together, keep the greatest number sign. 3 minus 2, 1, and number 3 is greater than 2. That's why you have to put down the number 3 sign. And let's move to the last picture, subtraction. Positive, negative, positive. By the number, it means positive 2 minus 1. Negative times negative, positive, you're going to just write down the positive 2 plus 1 equals positive 3. Negative minus plus, negative minus positive, negative minus positive, it means if the answer is negative, it means the negative circle is greater than, or the negative number is greater than the positive one. Negative 3 negative plus 2 or positive 2 equals what? Negative times positive equals negative. Write down negative 3. Negative 3 minus 2. You see, guys, you have the same sign. Keep the sign, added the numbers. 3 plus 2, 5. The answer is negative 5. Positive minus positive. 3 minus 2, just like that, for example, or positive 2. 3 minus positive 2, it means negative times positive negative. 3 minus 2 equals positive 1. Negative minus negative minus negative. And what does it mean, negative minus negative? Negative 2 minus negative 3. It's like that. And the result also is negative. Negative times negative, positive, write down negative 2 plus 3 equals, or you can see, guys, for this one, that's why the result is negative. If you want the result is negative, guys, as a negative, it means the first number you see is greater than the second number. The first number is greater than the second number. That's why this one is 2, and the second one must be less than 2 or smaller than 2, negative 1. Like that. Negative times negative, positive. Negative 2 plus 1. Of course, here you said you can see negative 1. Why? Because if you have the different sign, we're gonna subtract the number 2 minus 1 and keep the greatest number sign. That's all for this lesson. Thanks for watching. See you.